Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. You could also follow me on Instagram at ToxicSRT where you can see some cool car pics. You could also add me on Snapchat to kind of see my personal life of what goes on in that. First, we got to go to the dealership to pick up Alex's Hellcat. So I'm going to hop inside the truck and I'm going to explain to you guys what is wrong with the Hellcat. I'm going to explain to you guys why the Hellcat is in the shop. It had some electrical problems with the U-Connect. So we're going to go and pick it up. It's been there for about 4 to 5 days. It should be all done. So we're going to go and pick it up. Another day in LA traffic. I mean, look at this. It's 9 a.m. Everybody should already be at work. But no, they're out here in traffic.
This guy looks worried.
What is he? What is that? Is that, what is it? No, that's not a bad, that's a Volvo. That's actually nice if he fixes it up.
They all look the same.
They don't all look the same. What are you talking about? Oh, what are you talking about?
They all look the same.
Woo, nice. That's Soulja Boy. So we just got to dependable Dodge. Sounds fishy to me, but they're pretty dependable. And look at that, they got a Redeye in there. Look at this Redeye. What do you guys think of the hood? Dude, this thing is sick. Look at the Redeye. Orange brakes. This thing is beautiful. Is it open? Oh, it has the new spoiler. You guys like the new spoiler? Oh, it looks pretty cool. I like the color they're going mango. Let's sit inside. What the? Bro. Look. Hey. Why? So they cheaped out and put cloth seats in here. Are you serious? Why would you put cloth seats in a Hellcat? Let's look at the sticker. Oh, look at that. It has 220. Let me see if I can zoom in. 220 on the dash. Wow. Let me show you guys the sticker price. So this one's a very, very cheap Redeye. It has no options whatsoever. I mean, look, it has cloth seats. I've never seen a Hellcat with cloth seats. Like, really? So let's see the options that it has. Starts out at 58. And this is to have the is that the, let me see what that is. I think that's the Redeye, or the Redeye option is 11,000. Then the wide body 6,000. Then you have your 309 rear axle, which is what's gonna make this thing dig race really well. The SRT performance spoiler, 305s, and the orange calibers is what makes it 81. Pretty cheap because it doesn't have any options whatsoever. I mean, no sunroof, nothing. Yeah, this is not. No, we're picking up my friend's Hellcat. And then, I mean, the wide body, bro. The wide body's sick. Let me show you guys. Now let's move on here. This F8 green is so beautiful. You know what would look good with this? If it had orange calibers. Right? Yeah, it would look good. Orange looks good with this color. But let's step inside. Oh, this one's locked. But the interior is a little bit better. It has Laguna leather. But as you could see, this one is 90,000. Let me zoom in for you guys. So those are the options on it. And it does have a sunroof. Yeah, it doesn't have the cool spoiler like the other one. This might not be a red. Oh yeah, it is. I think it is. It is.
The back doesn't have the Redeye?
A Redeye. No, the back.
Neither does the front.
No, they didn't do that red. They just did this. They don't even have an SRT badge on this one. They don't even put an SRT badge.
They put them on the new spoiler.
Yeah, because it's a little weird. But what do you guys think? Which one would you go with? The orange one, Go Mango, or the F8 green? I would personally go with the Go Mango. but the interior is just, man, it's so ugly. But anyways, right here we have the Durango, and we'll get to that in just a second, but let's talk about the Durango real quick. What do you guys think of a third row seat car? On your list, I would put this in the top 5, no problem. I mean, my friend's mom has one and it's so nice, so fast for what it is. And this one has, yeah, has the nice seats. Let's see. Like, I'd love to have one of these, honestly, just as a family car. It would be really sick. Look at that. Plenty of room in there as well. Third row seating, except 2 and 2. So not too much. But let's talk about this bad boy. Wow. This thing is beautiful. Here we have a Challenger. I'm not sure what year to be exact this thing is, but let me just show you guys the upgrades on it. Check out these wheels. Let me zoom in for you guys. The color is just so beautiful. Wait till you guys see what's under the hood. I mean, they've really tricked this thing out. Let's see if it's unlocked. Nope. Has white interior with Cobra seats. Manual, of course. And it does have the shaker hood. And let me show you guys what's under the hood. Wow. This is a clean setup, bro.
It's got the bar in the back.
Yeah. This thing is beautiful. It has the hood pins too. Right there. And the pins. I just want to show them how beautiful and clean the work is. Wow, bro. They really did their thing on this. And the shaker is just so beautiful. And he did say this is on E85. Zoom in for you guys. Right there. So supposedly it's on E85. The wheels are nice. I like this. This thing is nice and clean. Let me show you guys another view of it. And it's pink. Alright guys, so right now, I'm gonna have the sales guy price out these 2 Redeyes just to know how much it would be a month to buy and to lease. So you guys can kind of know exactly how much it would cost if you're interested or you know somebody that's interested. So we're gonna have the salesman price it out right now. So we're pricing out the orange one right now. This one stickers 81. How much? $1,400 a month, and that's to buy?
There you go.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright guys, so I priced out this orange one right here. And if you put $1,500 down, right there, your payment would be $1,087 for a 36-month lease with 10,000 miles. If you want to put $2,500 down, it would be $1,058 a month. And if you want to put $5,000 down, it would be $986 a month. And this is of course with good credit. And this is how much the vehicle is. It's $81,725. And then it would total out to $90,000 after taxes and everything else. And that's the Go Mango Hellcat right there, 2019. That's how much it would be for a lease. Now if you want to buy it, it would be around $1,400. So I just wanted to, come here and price it out for you guys, so you guys can know exactly the price of how much these go for. So I'm gonna step outside to check out some more cars. Let's see what they got. Okay, that's not the right way. I'm an idiot. So here they have this wide body scat pack. Let me show you guys the things that it does have that are similar to the Hellcat. Let me show you guys the hood is similar to the Hellcat. Splitter, the wide body, the wheels, pretty much everything similar to a Hellcat. Now this is an RT, a Hemi, with an SRT hood. Then you got your scat pack, another scat pack, and let's move on here. Let me show you guys. Now this is a Durango, just a regular Durango, not an SRT with an SRT hood. So that's the type of things that Dodge is doing now. They have a few more of those over there, and I believe they have a new Ram back there. You see that? Let me show you guys. That's Not sure what kind of Ram that is. It might be a Rebel. There's another scat pack here. That's nice.
Look at the trim on this. Like,
what is this? Oh, that's a Rebel. Yeah.
Dude, look at the trim on the inside, dude. That's so sick.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's red, right?
Yeah. I've never seen it before.
Yep, they have that. That was an option, but you know how much these are, bro? This was like twice as much as my payment would have been. And I'm already paying a lot.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
This one's 60,000.
Yeah, but except they don't do no rebates on these at all. There's not a single rebate on them. They're expensive. Mine was 65, except I can get rebates on mine. They don't do no rebates on this. And plus, I don't know if I like the whole slammed look of it. I mean, I know you could raise it up and down, but I'd much rather take my wheels than these. Like, these are nice for off-roading or whatever, but
Dude, honestly, this truck is nice.
it doesn't even have a bed. I think you might get that afterwards.
What's the bed house? She had to get the bed liner after. Oh, white inside.
No, I think dealers don't install them until you buy them. Is what I'm saying. Maybe hers was just she didn't get that option, I guess. Check out the interior. Oh my god. Dude, this interior is sick. Wow. I just want to show you guys. Red stitching. Red everywhere with black, and I think it says Rebel over here. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. And then even the steering wheel, I mean, just look at it. It's red.
Look back here.
Red stitching everywhere. Look at the gauges. Let me zoom it for you guys. Oh my god, bro, this thing is sick. And of course it has the big Tesla screen, and then fake carbon fiber here. Same thing, has the keys to it right here. The keys are okay. What am I doing over here? I just made a mess. Let me put the keys back. But it has the keys in there, has everything mine has from inside. We're gonna check the back seat out. Okay, same thing, red and black all over. Red and black with red stitching. A lot of room. And then you got the storage. More storage here. Yeah, it's pretty similar to mine, except the interior here is on a whole nother level.
It's way nicer.
Yeah, the red is beautiful, especially white with red. Yeah, well, there it is.
Oh, and it doesn't have the retractable sides.
Oh yeah, so they don't go up, they just stay. I don't know, man. The front end looks so ugly to me. I don't know how I feel about it. Just, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, if the front end was a little bit, you like it?
I don't like it.
I don't know. I like my front end a little bit more. But the interior, I definitely want to take the interior. The interior is definitely nicer than mine. We picked up his Hellcat. It's all good. Do you want to show them how loud it is real quick? Let me show you guys. This is a warm start, by the way. So I am headed out. Had fun at the dealership. This Hellcat is way too loud. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the description below. I'll try to answer them. Also, the cool thing about commenting is other people could answer your question as well. So if you're, curious about certain prices for certain cars, of how much a payment would be, there might be a salesman in my comments that, will respond to you guys. So leave your questions and your concerns. Also, let me know if that was a good price. Would you lease out a Hellcat or would you buy a Hellcat? Is that a good leasing price for the Hellcat? Is the buying price pretty good? Let me know what you guys think. I'm very curious to know. I was just simply coming in here to pick up the Hellcat and also talk about the Redeye prices because I seen that they had one. So now I'm about to hop in the Ram and get going. Hey, little kid. Yeah. Trying to race? How old are you? 13. Yo, his exhaust sounds so good. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He actually hooked.
I know, that's because of those tires.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy.
Pull up next to the slow Hellcat.
You got pulled on hard, kid.
Dude, it took you like an hour and a half to catch up.
I'm doing this.
Better go return your dad's car, buddy. You just got beat by a Ram. How do you feel about taking your first L to a Ram?
I'm doing this.
Nah. Cut the out, okay? You were racing and you just got gapped by a truck. Okay? This is going all over online.
6.2 Alex, unfollow him.
Yes, because he just lost your truck.
I know.
And clean your brakes for God's sake. What is
It's
this?
been sitting for a week.
It was like this before it went in. Facts
That's
exposed.
true, that's true.
Clean your stuff, buddy. Bye! Downshift a little, buddy. Alright guys, so I'm back, got the Hellcat, got the trailer here. If you guys don't already know, I will be headed to Texas 2K next week. Let me show you guys the trailer. If you don't watch my last video when I took delivery of it, it is huge. It's an 18-footer, really nice trailer, brand new 2019 trailer. Got it all ready for the Hellcat to get on there, and we're gonna be headed to Texas 2K in about 5 days. But with that being said, there should be a lot of racing in Texas 2K. The racing is back, ladies and gentlemen. And right after Texas 2K, the build on the Mustang will continue. Track days, there will be track days with the Hellcat as well. There's so much happening, and I'm bringing the racing back. I know it's slowed down, and that was because of the winter, and I do apologize. But the people who stuck around are about to see some pretty lit content. It's about to be racing and great production, trying to pump out great content for you guys, so stay tuned for that. More mods coming, more parts, so much stuff coming. Also, I got something coming in for the Hellcat. It'll probably be on maybe tomorrow's video. Also doing a burnout with the Hellcat to burn all the tires that are on there. So a lot of stuff is happening, but it's time to let you guys go. So if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on. You could also follow me on Instagram if you want to check out some cool car pics at Toxic SRT. Also add me on Snapchat at Toxic SRT as well. And well, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. It's so windy. I'm about to get out of here and go inside. Peace.